god, they posted an LT2.
Hey, what's the definition of magnesium?
The chemical element of atomic number 12, a silver white metal of the chemical element of the atomic number 12, a silver white metal of the alkaline Earth series. It is used to make strong, lightweight alloys, especially for the aerospace industry. It also is used in, flash bulbs and pyrotechnics because it burns with a brilliant white flame.
Then what's sodium chloride?
A colorless crystalline compound occurring naturally in the seawater halide. Common salt.
Salt water?
That's what I said. Sodium chloride.
I got some new xenon headlights. I put them on my carbon fiber Koenigsegg 1:1.
Insert picture of xenomorph headlights. Son, this is americium. Carbon is used in everyday activities unless you're not breathing.
What the heck is strontium?
Insert picture of pear.
Stop taking my oxygen. I need it to breathe. I need some neons for my car.
Time to go to nitrogen.
Hey, did you bring the sodium for the water?
Only americium.
I must mud puddle.
What led you to that? What are you doing in my swamp?
Sugar water is refreshing. A homogeneous mixture has the same uniform appearance and composition throughout. Many homogeneous mixtures are commonly referred to as solutions. A heterogeneous mixture consists of visibly different substances or phases. The three phases or states of matter are gas, liquid, and solid.
Like some white vinegar.
It's homogeneous.
Or corn oil. Blood plasma.
Sand is heterogeneous.
Insert picture of property brothers. Extensive properties such as mass and volume depend on the amount of matter being measured. Intensive properties such as density and color do not depend on the amount of the substance present. Physical properties can be measured without changing a substance's chemical identity.
Volume, mass, buoyancy, conductivity, viscosity, melting point, state of matter, and size are all physical matters of property. Rust, reactivity, flammability, and toxicity are all chemical properties.
Chemical changes occur when a substance combines with another to form a new substance. They form Voltron, called chemical synthesis, or alternatively chemical decomposition. Indeed. Into two or more different substances. These processes are called chemical reactions and in general are not reversible except by further chemical reactions.
Physical changes are changes affecting the form of a chemical substance, but not its chemical composition. Physical changes are used to separate mixtures into their component compounds, but cannot usually be used to separate compounds into chemical elements or simpler compounds. Metal bending, a sword breaking, a totaled car, a tree being cut down, and chocolate melting are all physical changes.
Some examples for chemical changes are color change, formation of a precipitate. That didn't make any sound, but okay. Formation of a gas. Yes. Odor change. Okay, there we go. And temperature change. Burning lips.
Is chemical and physical change.
The kinetic molecular theory of matter states that the matter is made up of particles that are constantly moving, like this page. Molecules in the solid phases have the least amount of energy, while gas particles have the greatest amount of energy. The temperature of a substance is a measure of the average kinetic energy to the particles.
The term phase transition or phase change is most commonly used to describe transitions between solid, liquid, and gaseous states of matter, and in rare cases, plasma. A phase of a thermodynamic system and the states of matter have uniform physical properties. During a phase transition of a given medium, certain properties of the medium change, often discontinuously. As a result of the change in some external conditions such as temperature, pressure, or others, for example, a liquid may become a gas upon heating to the boiling point, resulting in an abrupt change in volume. The measurement of the external conditions at which the transformation occurs is termed phase transition. Phase transitions are common in nature and used today in many technologies. A eutectic transformation in which a two-component single-phase liquid is cooled and transforms into two solid phases. The same process, but beginning with a solid instead of a liquid, is called an eutectic transformation. A paratectic transformation in which a two-component single-phase solid is heated and transforms into a solid phase and a liquid phase. A spinal decomposition in which a single phase is cooled and separates into two different compositions of that same phase. Transition to a mesophase between solid and liquid, such as the one of the liquid crystal phases. The transition between the ferromagnetic and paramagnetic phases of magnetic materials at the Curie point. The transition between differently ordered commensurate or incommensurate magnetic structures, such as in cerium antimonide. In a solid, the particles are tacked together. Liquids have looser particles than solids.
Oh yes, I have more lines. The particle arrangement of gases are spread out like my cheeks.
Alright.
Okay.